How to turn on or turn off call logs backup on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down. Then tap on accounts and backup. Next, go to the Samsung Cloud section and tap on backup data. At the top here, tap on call logs. So tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on call logs backup. Now once this is turned on, your phone will periodically automatically backup the call logs data. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.